In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy treasure bills right from your MTN Mobile Money wallet. Originally, you have to go to the bank and buy treasure bills. So you go to the bank, you tell your bank you want to buy a treasure bill, you fill a form, and then you wait for a couple of days. Bank is going to deduct the money from your account and then buy the treasure bill for you right from Bank of Ghana. Now, you can do all that from your MTN Mobile Money wallet. So in this video, we're going to dive right into how you'll be able to set this up and then begin your journey to buying treasure bills right from your MTN Mobile Money wallet. With this cool feature, you can buy treasure bills from as low as 5 Ghana cedis. So no matter how much you have in your mobile money wallet, you can begin buying treasure bills. So first, we dial *170# to access the MTN Mobile Money platform. Then we select 5 for financial services. Now you see here there's pensions and investments. That is 4 on the list. So we put in 4, tap on send. And over here you can see buy treasure bills on the second option. So we put in 2, tap on send. If you don't see this, you probably see an option which will allow you to create an account to begin buying, this investment. So if you are on this particular page, you can go ahead and choose apply. If not, you can create your account and then go through the process. So here we just tap on apply, which is 2. We tap on send. And then it gives us the option to choose between the 91-day bill or the 182-day bill. So the 91-day bill is ideally 3 months. It means that if you buy this, your money is going to be logged in for 3 months, and after 3 months, the money is going to come back into your mobile money wallet with interest. And it's similar to the second option, that's 182 days. It means that you are giving your money to the government for 182 days, and after that, they are going to pay back the money into your account with interest. So we're going to choose 1 over here, which is 91 days. And then we're going to put in how much money we want to buy. So let's just say 100 cedis. Now it's asking if you want to proceed or not. So you just go with yes, which is 1, or no, which is 2. So I'm just going to tap send. It says an authorization message has been sent to your phone. Please complete the purchase by approving with your PIN. Okay. In most cases, you would have to go to your approvals to approve this transaction. *170#. Let's select my wallet, my approvals. Then you input in your PIN. So as you can see, it says debit initiated by T-bill amount. So it's stated here 100 cedi debit. Okay, it's pending for you to approve it. The moment I approve this transaction, I'm on my journey to buying my treasure bill. Okay, so when this money leaves here and then goes to T-bill for all, which is managed by EcoBank, I'll just have to wait a couple of days for them to get back to me with a message that your treasure bill has been purchased, and then I'll just have to wait for the duration. If it's 91 days, I wait for 91 days, and then the money is going to come back into my mobile money wallet with profit. So as you can see, this is very simple to do. But one thing I need to mention is you can use this to buy a whole year investment plan with regards to treasure bill. So if you want to buy treasure bill for the whole year, that's 364 days or 365 days, you won't be able to do that using this approach. They only have the option for 91 day and then 182 day, T-bill. So if you want to go longer than that or further than that, you'd have to go to the bank still to make that investment. I also have another video I would want you to check out if you've got a time. It's about how you'll be able to, build wealth using MTN Mobile Money and its Yellow Save platform. It's a very educative one. It will help you if you're someone that's looking to save money, if you're someone who occasionally spend a lot using your MTN Mobile Money. This will really help you save a lot of money, and then also from there reinvest into treasure bills, grow your money, and then make more money along the way. Thank you for sticking with me to the end. I'll see you in another video. I'm out.